Dear students and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Economics by Luqman Sir. This is the first video that I am going to post in my channel, and expecting you the viewers to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends and relatives. In this first channel, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sheikh Mohammed Luqman, having 32 years experience in teaching economics to the plus 2 and the degree students of different colleges and autonomous colleges. I have also written 4 books for the honors students: Macroeconomics 1, Macroeconomics 2, Development Economics 1 and Development Economics 2, respectively for the 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th semesters. And it has been published by Kalyani Publishers, an All India publisher. And it has been also widely accepted by the students all over Odisha. And recently I have also written another book for the plus 2 students, particularly for the class 12 or plus 2 second year students, which is very shortly publishing, and that will also be published by the Kalyani Publishers. In my subsequent videos, I will try to explain you some complexities that you are facing in your classes, in your studies, in preparing for your exams. I would also try to explain. First of all, I would like to post the videos for the plus 2 students, because the very fundamental of economics should be clear for the students so that they can have economics honors in their degree level. ତେଣୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ତମମାନେ ଯଦି ପ୍ଲସ୍ 2ରେ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ସର ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରିଥିବ, ତାହେଲେ you will be attracted towards the economics honors after your plus 2, after your secondary level, higher secondary level. ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ସର ପ୍ଲସ୍ 2 ଲେଭେଲର ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି ନିକଟରେ କାଉନସିଲ୍ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇୟର ବା 2024ରେ କାଉନସିଲ୍ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, from very beginning of the course I will try from the basic concept, ତାପରେ the definitions of economics given by different, what is included in your course, ସେ ସବୁ ବିଷୟରେ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଏମିତି ଯେତିକି ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ 15 ମିନିଟ୍ 20 ମିନିଟ୍ ଯେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ ମୁଁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିକି ପୋଷ୍ଟ କରିବି। ଏବଂ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ତୁମମାନେ ସେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରି ସେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ତୁମେ ଶୁଣିଲେ ତୁମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଗିବ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କଲା ଭଳିଆ। I will try my level best to make it clear, make all the concepts of the micro and macroeconomics what is included for you plus 2 students particularly, এবং আশা করছি ତୁମକୁ ସେଇଟା ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହେବ। ଏବଂ ମୋର ଯେଉଁ ବହିଟି ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଖୁବ୍ ନିକଟ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ପବ୍ଲିଶ ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି, ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ମାଇକ୍ରୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମାକ୍ରୋ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ସ ଫର୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ 12, ତାକୁ ବି ଫଲୋ କରିବ। ଆଉ ମୋର କ୍ଲାସ୍ଟାକୁ ଯଦି ଏଠି ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ରେ ଦେଖିବ, ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିବ, ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବ, ଦେନ୍ ଦେଖିବ ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ଭେରି ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ଫର୍ ୟୁ। That's all for this introductory video, and again I hope you will subscribe my channel and share it among your friends and relatives. Thank you.